every project that the NHT is doing will have appropriately appointed green spaces for exercise, for health, and for nowadays we pay close attention to the mental health of the nation, and the connection with green spaces helps to improve mental health. In the minds of the public, there is an impression that the NHT builds houses. Let me clarify that. The NHT itself does not build houses. The NHT relies on developers and contractors. The NHT will engage the private sector to build houses. So the NHT relies on a robust, reliable, and efficient private sector in order to execute and meet its housing objectives.